I really don't want to do this.
You have to.
Hi guys,
Hello.
it's Ida
And Sina.
again.
We are back.
Yes,
And this time we are doing
a baby food challenge. Dun dun dun. Let's present the
game.
baby foods first.
Yes.
See, we have been out and bought some delicious baby food. We got spaghetti, and we got
Strawberry and bananas.
we got the potatoes
And carrots.
and carrots. Yes,
Fuck.
also very delicious.
Sure. And mango.
Mango.
She's very excited for that one. Now, a really good one.
Oh yes,
No.
plum. Okay, we got some turnip.
Oh, we're not sure how that's pronounced. Leave us a comment and tell us how it's pronounced.
Yes,
Yes.
and potatoes, I think.
Yes.
So that's very delicious too. Mmm.
Maybe.
Yes.
So
They all got numbers,
Yeah.
and well, we have this amazing mug.
give me a break.
Yes.
So
Which we're gonna collect the numbers, and we have to eat a whole teaspoon of whatever it is, even though it's plum.
gross.
Yes, of course. We already got a bucket.
Sure. That's a really
Be
good
prepared,
Sure.
everyone.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors.
Ah, goddammit.
Okay.
I take this one.
Did we take that?
Can I get a spoon? I got
Number four.
Number
And
4
what?
is potatoes and carrots.
Oh, delicious.
Not bad. Not
Let me
bad.
prepare this delicious meal. Oof. It clicks when you know it's fresh.
Okay, I hope it tastes
I think
like.
you have to.
I think so too. Okay, maybe not so delicious.
Why are we doing this again?
We get on it on the floor. Great.
Okay.
Are you having fun?
Yes. I think that's enough.
I think I'm gonna dig a little bit.
Don't worry, we got a bucket.
Ah,
Here comes the choo-choo train. It's okay?
mm.
Good. Well,
Your turn? Should I hold them up?
yes,
Are
hold
you
on.
ready? Pick one.
And it's this one. And it is number 6.
Number 6.
It is a delicious.
Banana and strawberries.
Ooh! Delicious.
Not bad. Oh, that's a good
I got
one. This one is hard.
Yes, indeed. Oh, that is.
Just has to
It's
punch
baby
it.
secured.
Sure it is. Oh, it is secured. Maybe you just
Sometimes that's the same
That's a
thing.
little.
Oh, that's moist.
Yes, it is.
Mm.
Okay.
Down with it.
Enjoy.
Thank you. It's very moist.
Okay.
Okay.
I really hope this isn't plum. It's number 2. At least I kind of like root fruits. It's not that bad.
Okay. I really hate it. So.
Okay.
Here comes a choo-choo train. Well,
It doesn't really taste of anything.
it doesn't. Well, you're lucky. I really hate when it's so.
It's a little sour, but it doesn't really like have any strong taste. It just yeah.
Green. My friends from Greenland were right. It's an okay snack. Okay, I'm up next. This is number 5.
You got the lucky one. Well,
Oh my god.
yay!
I really hate plum. Oh, and it clicks too. Ooh, another one who's very moist.
Oh, I want to feed you this
Ooh,
time.
and it's brown.
You ready? Choo-choo. Come on, take it down. You can do it. You can do it.
It's like I always swallow, but it's still in my mouth. It's like a layer inside of my mouth. So just.
Oh man, I happy I didn't get that one.
I'll never touch that again. 2 left, and what's the lucky number?
Number 1. It's the mango.
Oh, you're lucky.
You want to have the spaghetti right away. I can kind of tell you get that one.
Sorry for that. Oh, it's clumpy. Oh, and it smells. Shall we feed each other?
Yeah, why not?
And yeah,
Let's switch
down with
foods.
this and that and that.
Yeah.
Then
Oh, this one
switch.
is too.
Oh, it's thick. Okay.
Well, this isn't very moist.
Breathe in.
Are you ready? Okay. You don't eat moist spaghetti.
Don't touch the spaghetti.
It's really bad.
Can you smell it?
No, I can. Okay, now I can.
Okay, I think I eat some more fruit.
Okay.
Well, that's done.
Yeah.
And I think the winner of all these baby foods is the
Yeah.
fruit one.
Yeah.
Banana and strawberries.
Yeah.
Because
And then the mango in number 2. Because at least it got taste. Most of them just didn't really taste of anything.
they're just
So
leaving
really,
another layer in your mouth.
If you watch this, then leave us a thumbs up and go subscribe maybe, and leave us a comment and tell us what to do.
And if you thought it was funny, why not share it with a friend?
Yeah.
So leave a like. Have a nice day. Bye bye.